Sophia, can you show your grandmas and grandpas how you can move? There you go. Good girl. Now where are you going to go? Sophia, where are you going? Love. Hi, Soph. So, what are you doing, you silly girl? Push, push, push. Yeah. What's that? Go get it. Close to crawling. Sophia Grace is 7 months and I think 2 weeks almost. 32 weeks, I know that. Look at her. Now she's determined to go get her sister. She's growing so fast. Hi, Sophia. Soph. Sophie. Too busy talking to her sister.